Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make a simple and quick logo reveal intro in Filmora. Also you can download the project file for Filmora 12 for free. First let's see what we are going to create today. First drop your footage on track 1, keep footage 4 seconds long. Then drop adjustment layer on track 2, make it 5 seconds long. Then go to the effects and apply S-Log3 effect on adjustment layer to increase color. Then apply glitch screen rolling effect. Go to the effect settings, set frequency to 1 at start and on keyframe. Set strength to 1 and on keyframe. Then at 1 second and 15 frame, set frequency to 0. Then at 2 seconds and 5th frame, add blank keyframe. Then at 3 seconds and 10th frame, set frequency to 0.2. Then at 3 seconds and 15th frame, set frequency to 0. Then go to the stock media and drop any color on track 3 and shift it to track 4. At starting point, on transform keyframe, then at 10th frame, set X position to negative 1197.82 and then at 20th frame, set X to negative 1586.71. Then at 1 second and 10th frame, set X to negative 1853.52. Then at 1 second and 20th frame, set X to negative 1909.43. Then after 4 frames, set X to negative 1915. And then after 6th frame, set X to negative 1926. Then place the playhead at 2nd frame. Then drop another color on track 3. On transform keyframe at the start and unlock scale. Set X at 1920. After 1 frame, add blank keyframe. Then after 1 frame, set X scale at 56.3 and position X at 1437. After 1 frame, set X scale to 12.7 and X position to 483. Then after 1 frame, set X scale to 12.9 and adjust position. Then at 9th frame, set X scale to 13.5 and adjust position. Then after 1 frame, set X scale to 13.7 and adjust position. Then at 13th frame, set X scale to 11.5 and adjust its position. Then at 15th frame, set X scale to 10.1 and adjust position. Then at 20th frame, set X scale to 6.5 and adjust position. Then at 1 second and 5th frame, set X scale at 3.7 and adjust position. Then after 5 frames, set X scale at 2.3 and adjust position. Then after 5 frames, set X scale to 0.9 and adjust position. Then after 5 frames, set X scale to 0.5 and adjust position. Then after 4 frames, set X scale at 0.1 and adjust position. Then after 4 frames, take color out of the screen. Then place the playhead at 6th frame, drop another color on track 5. On transform keyframe at the starting point and set position X to 1919. After 1 frame, set X scale to 71.9 and adjust position. Then at 9th frame, set X scale to 15.7 and adjust position. At 10th frame, set X scale to 14.3 and adjust position. Then at 12th frame, set X scale to 12.9 and adjust position. Then at 15th frame, set X scale to 10.7 and adjust position. Then at 20th frame set scale X to 7.1 and adjust position. Then at 1 second set X scale at 2.5 and adjust position. Then at 1 second and 5th frame set X scale at 1.8 and adjust position. Then at 1 second and 10th frame set X scale at 1.5 and adjust position. Then at 1 second and 15th frame set X scale to 1.1 and adjust position. Then at 2 seconds set X scale to 0.5 and adjust position. Then after 5 frames take it out of the screen. Then at 2 second and 5th frame drop the first color we used on track 7. Then drop your logo. Logo should be in a single color and adjust logo scale accordingly. Then take a snapshot and replace track 7 clip with snapshot. Keep it till 3 seconds and 13th frame. Then at a start set rotation to -75%, scale to 2000 and Y position to 1620, and then use chroma key to remove logo color. After 10 frames set scale at 225, Y position to 17 and rotation to -45. Then after 7 frames set scale to 183.2, position X to 9.07, Y to 24 and rotation at -24. Then after 6 frames set scale at 120, reset position and rotation to 0. Then after 3 frames set scale to 100. Again drop the same color on track 6 at 3 seconds and 8th frame. At start set opacity to 0. After 5 frames set opacity to 100% and keep it till 5 seconds. Then drop original logo on track 8 at 3 seconds and 8th frame. At start set opacity to 0 and then at 3 second and 22nd frame set opacity to 100%. Then at 3 seconds and 15th frame on transform keyframe. At 4 second and 4th frame set scale to 45% on position keyframe. Keep it for 5 seconds. Then drop default title and create your text and take a snapshot. Drop name at track 6 at 4 seconds and 6th frame. At start on transform keyframe set X position to -136. Then at 4 second and 4th frame. Then go to the mask, select linear mask. At a start set X position to 103 and at 4 second and 15th frame set X position to -325. Then go back to basic, select color logo and at 4 second and 15th frame set X position to -172. Do some text adjustment. Now let's render it to see the final preview. That's it. This is how you can create sweet and simple logo reveal animation in Filmora easily. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.